What do we know? I was trying to just skim through the details of the filing, and there weren't a whole lot.
Yeah, not a lot of details, as you mentioned, on the New York Stock Exchange. So another victory for U.S. listings. Again, German company, following kind of in the footsteps of ARM, a UK chip designer. But looking at some of the numbers that we're seeing here, Bloomberg had reported it could be valued at $8 billion. Looking at some of the revenue number, they said revenue rose 29% to roughly 1.2 billion euro last year. Adjusted earnings of about 394 million euros. So continuing that trend of growth, profitability, and you look at the valuation that
this is like a storied brand name, right? I mean, this is like, it's coming to market with decades of history. Everyone knows this, even if you don't wear a Birkenstock.
And momentum from Barbie.
Well, that's what I'm curious about. I mean, you cover retail traders a lot here. Do you think this is going to be big amongst that set?
I think it will, and I think it'll be interesting to see if there's an allocation. We're expecting to see SoFi getting an allocation of both ARM and Instacart for their retail traders. So if this could be another deal that we'll be allocating to retail, you could see a bit of excitement, similar to what we saw with Kava.
Do you own any Birkenstocks?
I own so many Birkenstocks.
Really?
It's kind of embarrassing to say. Yeah, my sneakers, my sandals, I have boots.
I didn't know this.
Yeah.
They sell boots?
Yeah, they do.
Are they open toe?
No, but actually you probably could get them. Then there's ones with like fuzzy, fuzzy fur inside of it and everything.
Those are
we can take a tour through this later on.
Okay.
But my question is, Bailey, I know you spend a lot of time on Reddit and looking through what a lot of these retail investors get excited about. Are retail investors talking about this?
Not as much as maybe you would expect. There is a lot of excitement, though, about Instacart. Normally what we see with the retail crowd is you get filings, you get news going out there, and then they get more attracted to it, not necessarily kind of skating to where it's going to be. They do typically follow, so it could be interesting to see with this filing, with these expectations, as we get closer to seeing a pricing range, a potential valuation, if that will make Reddit boards or stock twits come alive.